Hello guys, and welcome to our live commentary and analysis for the GBPUSD shorts that we posted. And for those of you in our Telegram group, we posted the trade markup earlier today, say around the open of the New York session, around I think around 12, was it 12:30 or thereabout? Around 12:30 we posted the trade markup. Alright, so if you're new to this particular channel, we have a Telegram group. The link will be dropped immediately after this live commentary. We'll drop the link to the Telegram group. We have a free group for those anybody who wants to join. Feel free to invite your friends and other to the group. Alright, and then we have a pro group, and the pro group is for our students or our customers or anyone who bought a consummate prop account through us. If you bought a consummate prop account through us, you reach out to us via our social media channels or our official WhatsApp line, and we'll make sure to add you to the group. Now, the difference between the pro group and the free group is that on the pro group, we try as much as we can on the best market conditions to send markups and an explainer to the markups that we send almost on a daily basis, so long as we're having a very wonderful trade or market conditions. We send to those on the pro group, we send it on a daily basis. Those on the free group, you get it maybe once or twice in a week. All right, so endeavor to join the pro group, and it's for those who signed up and bought a consummate prop account using our link. And then we have our student group for those of our students who have observed our techniques and entries over the time, and you want to learn how we make such decisions. You want to learn the information and the analysis that inform such trade decisions. You can join the main group, the students group. It's paid, it's a paid group. You can reach out to us and we'll give you further details. And then we'll move straight to our analysis. All right, so this is GBPUSD short that we called some time ago. All right, the trade is still running. Usually we make our commentary and analysis after the trade, but we're getting into the later part of today, and we may not be able to give you aftermarket analysis when the market is done. So we just decided to give you the analysis right about now. Maybe by tomorrow we'll see how it plays out. For those on our Telegram group, we'll keep you updated on the market and on this particular trade, to see how it plays out by tomorrow. Right, by tomorrow, maybe London session, it should have played out completely. All right, so what informed our decision to take this trade? First thing first, our Asian session was marked, and we looked at the overall trend of GBPUSD. GBPUSD has made an expansion last week, and last week into this week, after the expansion to the upside, we are expecting a deep retracement to the downside. If you look at GBPUSD on the weekly, you're going to see that we have some imbalance, some areas of imbalance, and some areas of fair value gaps. And then we also have our buy side imbalance and sell side inefficiency on the weekly of GBPUSD. So we have been expecting a long sell. We called it out last week. Throughout last week, we were shouting, sell the GU, sell GU, and we make sure we sold it all through last week. At some point we were stopped out, all right, but with good trade management skill and good risk to reward ratio, we were able to still have enough bullets to shoot further. All right, so last week Thursday and Friday were the major sales, although the sales started on Wednesday last week after the major high was taken out. I think I called that out, the high of sometime around June, July of last year. The high was taken out. We expected a deep retracement, and we saw it started on Wednesday last week, right about here, and down to Thursday and even to Friday, retracement took place. All right, although we have a concern for this trend line, but we know price is king, structure is king, whichever one you call or you coronate as your king will remain the king, right? So we may still see price move further down into discount levels, but then remember, we do not own the market. We just try to follow the flow as it moves. All right, so our value flow models today informed us about the GBPUSD sell. Although during late London session we saw a buy, some of our guys took the buy and then they left somewhere around here. Overall, the buy was a stop hunt to these relative equal lows sitting around here. We have relative equal highs. We have a triple top here and we have an old high here, and it coincides with another double top around here. So the buy was mostly a liquidity grab to the upside, and after trading the liquidity gap to the upside, it also traded into the daily fair value gap. All right, it just wicked into the daily fair value gap, and then we expected a reaction, a short reaction from it. Okay, so we went down to lower time frames. We saw this rejection candle, and after the rejection candle on the retest, we went to take our short. Remember, we use our lower time frames for entry, and on our lower time frame we entered at around the mitigation block we spotted on the 5 minutes time frame, and after price tapped the mitigation block on the 5 minute time frame, we took our short position. For those in our group, we posted it somewhere around when price was somewhere around here. All right, we made the post when price was somewhere around here. All right, so there was a news, I think the consumer confidence news of the US came out earlier today. You could check that out on forexfactory.com. We saw I think it was the consumer price index or something like that came out today at around 130. Oh, sorry, core retail sales. Yes, a very high impact news. Core retail sales came out around 130 Nigerian time, that's GMT +1, and we saw this quick reaction. But because we were expecting news to release this afternoon, we made sure our stop loss was around 19 to 20 pips. So we had a video yesterday in our traders corner talking about take partials and break even. So we taught how to take partials and when to break even your trade. So if we had broken even somewhere around here, say around 2 this afternoon, 2 o'clock GMT +1, we would have most likely be stopped out. All right, so price hasn't gone up to 50% of our expectations, so we didn't break even. So we may break even when price takes out the low of today. We may break even our trade because we expect this to be a long trade. That is evident with our stop loss. Our stop loss is targeted at the low between this week's open and Monday's open. All right, so the low of Monday is our expected take profits. All right, so this may be a very long trade and we expect it to play out. But mind you, like I said in the Telegram group, when price gets to the low of today, you can take partial or you can break even your trade so that you'll be able to reward yourself for such level of patience that you've exhibited in the market. All right, so that is the analysis for this trade setup that we posted, and I hope it was helpful. If you want more content like this, feel free to join our group. And before we go, we'd like you to subscribe. If you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you want to get first-hand information of this group, we're going to drop the link right after this video so you can check the comment section, not the comment section, you can check the detailed section of this video, you can then see the links to these groups, and you do well to join so long as you fulfill the criteria. For the free group, everyone is allowed to join so that you can get the trade markup that we'll send, and then surely we'll give a commentary after the trade markup. I hope this was helpful. Thank you, and until next time, cheers and God bless.